section I discussed little bit. Okay. As I told, plane is a two-dimensional object. Solid is a three-dimensional object. But major thing of plane, who understand plane, it is very easy to understand solid. Because solid is an extension of plane. We started our journey with point, no dimension. Then line, one dimension. Plane, two-dimensional. And solid, three-dimensional. See, we started our journey in such a way that we are able to find. On that day, I used one word. Majority of components, products belongs to solid. What do you mean by majority, Amma? Majority. What do you mean by majority?
High.
Yes, Amma?
More. Majority.
More. Maximum. And plane is minority component. Plane is minority. Without the collaboration of minority and majority, we cannot create any product. On that day, whether I drawn car shape, can I draw? Just I want to know I am getting whether I drawn or not.
No, sir.
Everything I only have to remember. Can you observe? Yes. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Can you observe? What is the difference, Amma? What is the difference? Both are four-wheelers. Both are four-wheelers.
Shape of the body.
Yes.
Shape of the body.
Shape of the body. Very good answer. Always remember. Body, the automobile, the vehicle is majority components are solid. But the outermost portion of the body, which provides, that's why you always remember body is a separate entity. So every bus is identical in nature. You can make every bus separate. How many students knows that? When you want to buy four-wheelers, especially bus, trucks, any big vehicles, chassis will be sold out separately and body will be created separately.
Yes, sir.
Can you heard this? Can you aware
Yes,
about
sir.
this? Jagrata Mama. Means every individual can design their own shape, size, and the way of methodology inside the structure. That internal architecture you can design according to the need and necessity of the every individual. But in cars, majority components are inbuilt property. You know what do you mean by inbuilt property? Inbuilt property.
Which are already present.
Already fixed entity. Desire, you take desire shape is fixed. You take BMW, shape is fixed. You take Mercedes, you may take any Audi vehicle. So these vehicles bodies are already designed. Yes, little bit variation is there. Can you tell me what is the purpose why the vehicles are four-wheelers are designed like this small segment and bigger segment is designed like this? Any idea? Any idea? General idea, ma. Why cars design is quite different from bus design, truck design?
For the airflow, sir.
Very good. One is the aerodynamic shape. Okay. Apart from that, but aerodynamic shape, why we will consider in cars? Why not in bus? My question is that.
Bus weight is heavy, no, sir, more than car.
Very load carrying. Always remember, there are two things. Anything we designed, it is load carrying capacity. So bus, there is a load carrying capacity. Here, It is a speed carrying. Here speed is important, load is not important. It may carry only 4 people, but we can achieve very high speed. But here our intention is a load carrying capacity. It may be 60 feet, but it may be 40, it may be 50, it may be 1 ton, it may be 5 ton, it may be 10 ton. You know that heavy goods vehicle based on this segment. So what is the purpose? When you want speed, then obviously you have to design in the form of aerodynamic shape. What it will provide, Amma? What is the purpose of aerodynamic shape? Anyone? Any idea? I am
To
talking
cut
about
the
the
air.
future. Yes. We have always remember that. You traveled in car, na? Especially you observe whether you traveled in car, whether you traveled in bus, that does not matter. When any bus is moving at a speed of 120 to 140 kilometer, what you observe, Amma? Your all windows are closed. Can you observe anything? Anyone? What you observed? I'm talking about speed of 120 to 140 kilometer per hour. Anyone? Anything you observe? Inside as well as outside. Inside you may observe movies. I'm not talking about movies or something. Inside you may have comfort, AC. I'm not talking about AC. I'm talking something. Anyone? Any response?
Due to open windows, it may reduce speed.
Yes, yes, yes. Clearly, loudly.
Due to open windows, it may reduce speed.
No, Amma, I told closed window. Bus is completely closed. When I used word AC, AC buses are not open windows, it is closed windows. There is no provision
Air
of
is
air.
not allowed inside, sir, inside of the car.
Yes, that is there, I know. What you observed, whether you observed or you all are in sleeping mode only always, there is a noise. Can you heard noise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When air is flowing at very high velocity, when it have interaction with the bus, there is a noise. You will hear this noise when you are moving at very high speed. I am not talking about very low speed. But here, our intention is the load carrying capacity. So we designed with respect to minimum speed, maximum load. But when we are talking about car, you see, the design is in a form of aerodynamic shape. Minimum resistance, maximum should be the output. What we are designed, minimum resistance and maximum should be the output. It is only possible when we are using surface. Can you observe? Roof of car. Anyone observed roof of car? Roof of car.
Yes, sir.
Observe chesara ledra. It is made up of
Yes,
sheet
sir.
metal. It is made up of sheet metal. Means now listen. I will take one piece of paper. I will crush it. What happened? What happened? Anyone? I taken single of piece of paper crushed. I taken 2 set of papers. I crush. Can you observe? Can you observe? I taken set of papers. What I am doing, Amma? Why I am increasing set of papers?
To increase thickness.
What I am doing? Increasing the
Thickness.
thickness. What is happening, Amma? When it is a very light, thin material, I can fold, I can mold, I can give any shape and size. But whenever goes on increasing the thickness, the desired shape I may get, I may not get. So be careful regarding that. Surface thickness will play very vital role while converting that component. So that's why always you have people has to remember plane is a two-dimensional object. It is surface. This surface I want to mold according to desired shape and size. So due to that means that's why I told despite of car body is having n number of solid components, but some of the components belongs to minority component where we need desired shape and size. This is the first fundamental you have to understand. There is a difference between plane and solid. This is the one. This chapter itself is called solid. This chapter name itself is called solid. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is the reason why it is called solid? Its name itself is solid, but its behavior is also solid. How many types of solids we have? How many types of solids? Anyone? Don't tell solid is the three-dimensional object. Already we know. How many types of solid existing in nature?
Metal and non-metal.
No, Amma, that is material, Amma. Material is different, solid is different.
Hollow and filled.
No, Amma, that is all our material you are talking about. It may be composite material, it may be copper, it may be steel, it may be tungsten, it may be silver. We are not bothered about material. Types of solids existing in
Hollow and
Spherical,
filled.
spherical.
spherical, that is shape, Amma. You are talking about shape. I am not talking about shape. It may be spherical, it may be pentagon, it may be hexagon, it may be regular, it may be irregular. That is not my concept. You know, you studied several times, but I want from your side. You know, if I say immediately we got recall, that is the thing missing element.
Amorphous.
Yes, Amma?
Crystalline.
Physical, no, that is properties, Amma. Physical property, chemical property. That is not, we are not talking about properties also.
Hard, hard.
Yes, Amma. Yes, tell loudly.
Hardness, sir. Hard.
Hardness is the one of the property. Ductile, hardness, brittleness, strength. They all are properties. I'm talking about types. Engineering. You all are engineers, na?
Yes, sir.
Engineers, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Doubt.
Yes, sir.
Doubt. If you are making delay answer, it indicates
Closed.
that you
Closed
all
and
are-
hollow.
no, Amma, that is not a closed. Halo is not a thing. Next.
Pyramid.
Who told? Please tell me loudly.
Pyramid.
Pyramid is the one. Very good. One more. Its sister concern. Yes, you are on right.
Sir.
You are on right path.
Cube, cuboid.
No. Again, you are going back to shape.
Sir, is it apex?
No, ma. Pyramid is the one object. One more.
Prism.
Very good answer. Two segments are there of that. Any solid existing in nature may belongs to prism or pyramid. That's why I told you heard this word, but you are unable to connect them in a proper way. Solids are divided into two segments. One is prism, another is pyramid. Getting my point? Any product, it may be polygon or it may be regular or irregular. We are not bothered. Shape is the desired thing. That's why I told. We can mold them according to the individual identity, individual requirement. So types. So how many types of solids? How many types of solids?
2 types.
How many?
2.
2.
చెప్పండిరా అదుకు డబ్బులు కావాలా?
Pyramids and prisms.
Pyramid and prism.
Any solid which is existing in nature, it may fall under category of prism or pyramid. Now you all are very intellectual students. Can you define prism? Can you define prism? Can you define prism? Anyone? You heard this word now in past endeavor? Yes sir,
Yes,
no.
sir. Yes, sir.
డెఫినేషన్ అడిగానమ్మా, ఏం కొత్తది ఏం అడగలేదు. I asked very silly aspect is that can you define prism? When you know, you have to tell now. Okay.
With rectangular parallel faces.
Very good. Ganesh, continue.
Two ends are equal or similar.
1 minute చెప్పు. ಇದು సాలిడా? Pencil is solid. You have pencil in your hand na? ఉందా లేదమ్మా? పెన్సిల్ అమ్మా. It is also solid. Pen also solid.
Sir,
What is the difference between these two, amma?
Pen is transparent.
Yenamma?
sir.
Different.
Pen is transparent, sir.
Okay, amma, I am not talking about its properties. Apart from that, in terms of shape, any difference you can observe.
Halo.
Okay, halo, I am not bothered. I will take that halo separately. This
no
is
ends,
also
sir.
solid. Rubber is also solid.
Orthogonal and
Very good, very good, very good. Somebody is telling, pencil shape is
hexagonal, cylindrical.
shape. Observe change. It is having hexagonal
The
shape. Pen shape.
cylindrical,
Cylindrical. Very good. Rubber.
cuboidal, cuboidal,
Rectangle. You can say anything. Right? Agree? Agree?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Prisms, amma. These all are prisms. Cylindrical prism, hexagonal prism, square prism, cuboid prism. You may say any object based on shape, it is having its name. In prism, we have triangular prism, square prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, cylinder. So many. Heptagon, octagon, tetragon, nonagon, anygon. Shape is itself is a solid prism. Now tell me, what is the properties of, what is the speciality of these three? Tell me, now can you define? Now can you define? Listen, I will give clue. This is what is the shape, amma? Shape,
Rectangle,
rectangle. What is this shape?
rectangle,
Rectangle.
Means prism is having two identical faces. Getting my point? Prism is having two identical faces. Okay. This is cylinder. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
It is also cylinder. Agree?
Yes, sir.
It is having two identical faces. Okay. This is having how many sides? Hexagon.
6.
6. How many sides? Before sharpening it. How many sides?
6.
Right. 2 identical faces. What is the common factor? Prism is having 2 identical faces at top as well as bottom. Agree? Yeah? Prism is
Sir.
having, whether it may be square, it may be hexagon, it may be cylinder. Prism is having 2 identical faces. Agree? Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I've taken 3 different. Now, this is one generator, this is second generator, because square is having how many generators? How
4.
many?
4. 4.
What is the relation, Amma? What is the relation between these two?
Perpendicular.
These finger, my finger observe change.
Parallel.
Relation,
Parallel to each other.
relation between these two?
Perpendicular.
Parallel.
The perpendicular.
No, relation between these two
Parallel.
generators.
Parallel.
Parallel, relation, parallel. It connect top face and bottom face. Agree? Yeah? It will
Yes, sir.
define the height. It will define the. It will define the. It will define the height. Amma. This height ekku undi. Long. Agree? Yeah? It is also hexagon. It is also hexagon. Agree?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. Yes, sir.
What I told, this generator, these 2 generators, parallel, these 2 generators, parallel, these 2 generators, parallel. Jagrata Mama. Now, when I want to see in front side, it is having 2 identical faces. All generators are parallel to each other, and its vertical face. What is the shape, Amma? Vertical face? What is this shape?
Rectangle.
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 Rectangle. There is no second. You see this shape. What is this shape? Only I am talking one side. What is this shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. When you are observing between these two, it is shape is. This shape is
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
rectangle. Jagratam. Note down. Prism. Prism. Note down this definition. Prism. Prism. Prism is having 2 identical faces. Prism is having 2 identical faces, top and bottom. Bracket jagara rayandi. Top and bottom. Top M shape undi, bottom no same shape. Agree? Agree? Identical, similar. You can use any word. It is way of writing. Prism is having 2 identical faces inside the bracket, top and bottom, comma. All generator between 2 faces. All generator between 2 faces are parallel to each other. All generators, whether it may be square, whether it may be hexagon, whether it may be cylinder. Cylinder we can divide 4 part, 8 part, 12 part, 30 part, 60 part. It is stump. So that's why cylinder we don't know, because circular object we can divide. Circle is having no corner, no side. So what I told, prism is having 2 identical faces, top and bottom, comma. The distance between top and bottom, the generator between top and bottom are parallel to each other. The generator between top and bottom are parallel to each other. And its vertical face, idu jagratam amma. Question ikkada twist chestundi. This is vertical face. This is top face. It is bottom face. It is side face. But we are talking about vertical face, front view. Its vertical face is always rectangle. Its vertical face is always rectangle. Whether it may be hexagon, whether it may be cylinder, whether it may be square. Its vertical face is rectangle. Its vertical face is rectangle. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Now, can you define pyramid? Now, can you define similarly pyramid?
Only one base
Yes, very good. One
and a
face.
point.
And the point or that point is
Apex.
called apex. Okay. Make it same statement. How I taught you in
Instead of
prism,
rectangle, it
I
is
want in
triangles.
very good. Its vertical face is triangle. Doubt
sir.
undante ice cream cone. You take ice cream cone, keep on base in front of you. You observe. What is the shape you can observe? What is the shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Is the rule. That's why I'm telling
Bases
vertical
are
face will play very.
perpendicular to base.
No, amma. Akkade teda undi. There is the clue. Can you make prism pyramid? Right? Definition of pyramid. Pyramid is having one face. Pyramid is having one face. Bracket base. Aisa. Bracket base. Agree? Pyramid is having one face. Bracket base. Bracket. Only base a bracket. And apex. And apex. And apex, comma. The generators are moving between. The generators are moving between base and apex. All generators move towards, all generator move towards. All generator move towards apex. Apex at an inclination. All generator inclinations are separate, amma. All generators are moved towards apex at an inclination. At an inclination. All generator inclination is not same. It is separate. Idu separate, amma. Idu separate. Idu separate. Idu. All are moving towards, but all generators are having separate angle. Moves towards apex at an angle and its vertical faces. Its vertical faces. Its vertical faces. Yes. Vertical faces.
Triangle.
Anyone? Triangle. Its vertical face is always triangle. Its vertical face is always triangle. Its vertical face is always triangle. This is the first thing you have to remember. Now, question is that what is the difference in prism and pyramid? In prism, we have two faces. In pyramid, we have one face and one apex. Agree? Agree? Yes or no? In prism, we have two faces. In pyramid, we have one face and one apex. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, why I used the word solid? Still, I not answered this solid. Tell me, what is the why I am claiming this as solid? I will take attendance. Wait. Think 1 minute. Yes. Tell me why it is called solid. Jagratam. In earlier units, first you take unit 1. Problem. Unit 1, we have conic section, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, or cycloidal curve. Cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid. How many ways, Ra? 6 methods study chestene. Unit 1 you can attempt. Unit 2, Jagratam, why I am telling. Here, first you have to study point, then line, then plane. Agree? Yeah? Agree? Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are. But in solid chapter, only two methods, prism or pyramid. No alternate. And difference between prism and pyramid, prism is having two face, pyramid is having one face. Finished. Apart from that, no variations. And all logic which we adapted in plane, we will follow in terms of prism and pyramid. Finish. That's why I'm telling. In annual exam, if one question is asked prism, second will be pyramid. Or sometimes prism slash prism. It is depends upon that. Or pyramid slash pyramid. Getting my point, huh? Getting my point, huh? Understanding, huh? There is no alternative, Amma. You have to be perfect in prism or pyramid. Prism slash pyramid. Yes, this is the 99% probability, but sometimes both A, third A, if it is pyramid, B may be pyramid, may not be. Basically, if pyramid, B is prism only. But sometimes it may be pyramid or prism. Nothing. Very simple, Amma. Logically, it is very simple. If you know these two, prism and pyramid, what I told, whether it may be triangle, whether it may be pentagon, whether it may be hexagon, it may be tetragon, it may be octagon, shape is not a problem. Concept are remain same. Getting my point? Understand? Yes or no? Yes, no. Take. Then what is prism? Listen carefully. How to draw prism? If let us assume I want to draw triangle. Now, I want to ask one question. Jagratam. Water bottle చూసారా? Water bottle. ఇక్కడ one point ఉంది. Here it is a 1 point. Here also it is a 1 point. కనపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
కనపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the relation amount from this point to this point? What is that line?
They are straight,
They're continuous.
perpendicular.
Height of the bottle.
No. There is a 1 point at top face, another point at bottom face. What is the relation amount? This line is called, it is very big. I will take this point. There is a 1 point here. One more point is here. What is this line is called?
Yes.
Yes, Amma?
Axis.
Very good. Whole object depends on axis only. You have to remember this axis. Now, first time we are dealing with axis because this object is symmetrical about right as well as left. But sometimes it may be, it may not. Now, question is that. See, first I will draw one or two simple things. First thing in solving this problem, first you have to draw axis only. Agree? Right. Now, I will draw one triangle. This is triangle. Agree? I will take same height here. From here, same height. This side should be same. From here, same height. Height is remain.